Color-coded. Color-coded refers to a system of categorizing or organizing items, information, or data using different colors. Each color represents a specific category or meaning, making it easier to identify and understand the information at a glance. This method is widely used in various fields, such as education, organization, and data analysis, to simplify complex or large amounts of information. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of color-coded. 1. In a classroom setting, a teacher might use color-coded folders to keep track of students' assignments. For example, the teacher could assign a specific color to each subject, such as blue for math, red for science, and green for English. This way, the teacher can quickly identify and grade the assignments without confusion. 2. In a map or guidebook for tourists, different attractions or landmarks can be color-coded. For instance, historical sites could be marked in brown, museums in blue, parks in green, and restaurants in red. This color-coded system helps travelers easily locate and prioritize their interests while exploring a new city. 3. In a spreadsheet or data analysis, color coding can be used to highlight specific information or trends. For example, in a sales report, the cells with higher sales figures could be highlighted in green, while the cells with lower sales could be highlighted in red. This visual representation allows the reader to quickly identify the areas of success or concern. 4. In a traffic signal, each color represents a different meaning. Red signifies stop, yellow indicates caution, and green means go. This color-coded system provides a clear and universally understood way to control the flow of traffic and ensure safety on the roads. Overall, the use of color-coded systems enhances understanding and efficiency by visually organizing information. It simplifies complex data, helps categorize items, and enables quick identification of important details.